Hey everyone, welcome back to another Crumbl review. So if you have me on Instagram, y'all know I was not trying to do this. And if you want to be more in tune with the conversation, just follow me on Instagram. But we're gonna try it. I did low-key got convinced a little bit because not only did y'all vote, but I saw the waffle flavor. I'm like, I heard a lot about this, so we're gonna try that. I don't know what to start with. Okay, we're gonna start with the Rice Krispie. This is how it's looking like. This is the Rice Krispie. We're gonna break it apart so we can have the marshmallow pool. Oh shit. Ah! Okay, marshmallow-y. Let me stop. I feel like the marshmallow, like the tiny marshmallow, adds in more taste to it. It's regular, nothing too crazy. It's fluffy, it tastes good. It's not nothing like I'ma crave this kind of thing. It's just like a calm cookie. And even the cookie is a Rice Krispie, but that's another story for another day. I'm gonna give that a solid 7 because why do you have that on the menu? Sorry. We got the detox water because you know my birthday is coming up and I'm trying to look slim thick. Drink cucumber water first thing in the morning or for every morning, and you'll see. Y'all can tell by my face is slimming down. I've only been doing this for 3 days. This is like my life hack here. But anyways, back to the video. We're saying that's while eating cookies. So this one I am not excited for. I thought this was the main reason I did not want to get Crumbl this week. Like Nerds cookie, BFFR. Like, I am not excited for this one. I don't even want to eat it for real. Bye. Wait a damn minute. Okay. Surprisingly, it did not taste bad. I don't know what, honestly, I don't know what I imagine it tasting like. I just don't like the idea of Nerds being a cookie. It went with it though. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not gonna hold y'all. That one surprised me for real. I was not expecting that. It wasn't, Nerds aren't sour. I would say it's not sour. I don't know what I was expecting, but it tastes like a Nerds, but like a good Nerd. Like, it doesn't taste like the Nerds are sour, or am I bugging? Comment down below if I'm bugging or Nerds are sour. I'm dumb. I can taste one right now. I'll take a little Nerd from here. Yeah, Nerds are sour. I would say are Nerds sour. The aftertaste you get from Nerds is not what you're getting from the cookie. And the bites I took did not really include Nerds a bit too. So yeah, the cookie was pretty cool. Surprisingly, like I'm really surprised by the cookie. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm gonna give that one a solid 8.3 for being creative and not ruining my taste buds. Okay, this one really got me tame. I love M&Ms. Don't get me wrong, I love M&Ms. But yeah, I've been having this same cookie like 5 times in the last 2 months. Like, come on, there's more candy, but we already know how this one tastes. But we already knew that M&M cookie was gonna stop. That's a 9. M&M cookie always be stopping. Okay, real question. Am I tripping or why do they have Tootsie Roll? Like, what in the grandma cookies? Like, as a kid, I love chocolate, and as a kid, I have never thought to myself, yeah, I want Tootsie Rolls. Like, but it does look good, so we're gonna try it. Yeah, I just seen me go through a roller coaster of emotions. I don't know if I'm bugging. Let me. That one was very shocking. I was like, y'all, because when I bit into it, I'm like, damn, this is good. It tastes just like chocolate, perfectly whipped, you know. And then when I'm chewing, I started tasting Tootsie Rolls, and I'm like, no, like y'all was doing good on the first half. Like the aftertaste is Tootsie Roll, and in the in-between taste, that first bite, I have them cookies. Y'all don't know what I'm talking about. The first bite tastes just like a chocolate cookie, perfect chocolate cookie. Girl 3 chews in, and now it started tasting like a Tootsie Roll. No, keep the first sensation. Oh my gosh, this is getting me so tight. And I'm not gonna lie, these past 4 cookies been having my mouth real dry, throat real dry. I do like drinking water in between cookies, so the last cookie flavor is not going to a new one, you know. This one I'm actually really excited for. It's Butterfinger, and I love Butterfinger. Oh, I wish they put more Butterfinger on top, but absolutely love Butterfinger. I don't think there's anything in the middle, but we're gonna break this one apart. Yeah, there isn't nothing in the middle. I knew it. I knew it. This would be the perfect bite right here. Damn. God damn. The cookie is good, but that shit is dry as a motherfucker. That shit got stuck all over my, like, it literally could not go down. I drank more water and it's still kind of there, but it's good. Too dry. Like, it really got stuck in my throat. Y'all really just seen all of that. It tastes like a Butterfinger. I think that's how Butterfingers are though. Haven't had the Butterfinger in years. I'm getting old. Okay, this is not for me to reminisce how old I'm getting. It's, at first I thought it was undercooked. I'm not gonna lie, because I'm eating it and I'm like, is this cooked or not? Which is why I did take 3 bites and I took one of the other side, because I'm like, am I tripping? Or is it undercooked? I think it's slightly undercooked, honestly, but it still did the job. It's still good. I'm not gonna lie, my stomach is turning after struggling to swallow it, but it was good. I really like Butterfingers. I'm gonna give, that's probably one of my favorite ones. I'm not even gonna lie. Damn, I got my stomach punching though. Let me drink more water. Let me get my detox water. I'm gonna give that one a solid 8.2 because I don't like the part I was struggling to swallow it. The season finale of the maple, I said the maple. The season finale of the waffle cookie. This was my mystery cookie and I heard a lot of things about it. The waffle. I'm gonna pour maple syrup on top. I'm gonna get some creamy. I'm gonna get some creamy stuff. That tastes good though. Hold on. I really like the waffle one. I see the hype about it. I see the hype. Oh, girl. That was good. I was surprised. I was fired. I'm not even gonna lie. I think I'm more surprised because the other cookies weren't really it. But itself, like that cookie, I'm so glad I left that last because that just made me feel better about this week lineup. You know, I'm more of a waffles person. I'm not really a pancakes person, but those waffles were super good. It was like crunchy on top and it was fluffy in the middle. It was just overall like super. I'm so shocked. Why can't they have that sooner? I see why people were like saying like, oh, I wish I got waffle, I wish I got waffles. Shit, now every single time I wish I got waffles. That was a good mystery cookie, I'm not gonna lie, because that was really good. I'm gonna give that one a solid 9. I would say 9.8. I was gonna be petty. Now I'm gonna give it 9.8. It's not a 10 out of 10 cookie, but even though it's really good, it's not a 10 out of 10 cookie. Nothing beats s'mores, and s'mores was a 10 out of 10 cookie. That was definitely a 9.8. That was, yeah. This week lineup, I don't know how I feel about it. Do I regret getting it? Yes, but no, because gotta get that content. On top of that, the waffle cookie was worth it. But everything else, I'm not really feeling it. Only the M&M cookie, but everybody knows how the M&M cookie tastes like, so. And the Butterfinger one was odd, but make sure you got some water. Just if y'all get this sweet cookie, make sure y'all have some water, because the only moist one was the waffle one. So with that being said, make sure you like this video, comment down below what flavors you want to try, and if y'all do try, let me know what's y'all thoughts on it. Let's talk about it in the comments. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and make sure you always tune in to every Monday for my Crumbl reviews. I am going to drop a couple videos this week. I know I've been saying that for the last 2 weeks, but I'm really going to do it this week. Like, I already have the cake, the frosting, all of that. I just had to do it on video. Make sure you comment down below questions you have for me about me selling food in college, and I might answer that for y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.